What's up guys, Jury here, and if you are interested how to start generating the income online with YouTube marketing, make sure to check this course. I will show you exact methods step by step how I made 2000 sales in very quickly, so anyone will be able to copy this method and apply it to their online business. So make sure to check this course. You will learn exactly how to get your video rank higher in Google search, in YouTube search, how to get sales for your affiliate marketing websites or for your online businesses. Now it doesn't matter, online shop or anything else. So I will show you exactly step by step how you can rank your video higher, and even if you will not get so much views, like for example, if you will get only 100-200 views monthly, you will still be able to get and generate sales from this type of videos. So I will show you everything here, so make sure to check it out and hope to see you soon. Bye.